Hi, this is Alden Chappell from the Midnight Group for Final Project, and this is part 2 of my devlog. So in the first few clips, I am implementing an interface for playing the Skull Companion dialogue clips. And the desired functionality for the Skull Companion's dialogue has 3 different types. So for instance, we want to play a specific clip, we'll call play specific Skull dialogue clip. If we want to play a random one, call play random, and then if we say have a boolean, say we want something to happen before it plays a specific clip, then we also have a function for that. The next thing I'm adding into our game is making it so at the start of each level, the Skull Companion plays a dialogue clip that gives a hint to signal to the player what they should be doing on each specific level. And once the dialogue clip plays, it will not play again if the player returns to that level. Next, I'm implementing the first of the level starting clips, so in the lobby, and I am testing it out, and luckily it worked. The next thing I'm doing is hooking up all of the audio clips that I made using an AI voice generator, and after these clips of hooking it up, I show a little demo of how I turn what the AI voice gives me into an actual clip that we use in our game. And here in this clip, I'm making it so once the Skull Companion plays its initial level dialogue clip, it removes the listener for playing it. Because on awake, the listener is added, so when the player picks up the Skull Companion, it plays the level intro clip. And once it plays its initial level intro clip, it will not play it again. The next thing I'm working on is making it so once the player completes the lobby level and places the fuse in the fuse box and pulls the lever to turn the power back on, that once they return to the lobby from each separate floor, they don't have to repeat that and the lights stay on automatically. The next thing I'm working on is making the bell in the lobby actually work. So I'm making an animation and making it an interactable object as well. So once the player presses whatever they choose for the interaction key, that it plays a bell sound and plays a little animation for the dinger. Next, similar to the bell, I am pretty much repeating the exact same steps for the telephone in the lobby, but obviously making the animation different and playing a different sound. So when the player interacts with the little dial on the telephone, it plays an animation and plays a phone ringing sound. And in the last clip of this video, I am just testing out the bell sound as well as the telephone sound and animations for both. This is going to be my last devlog for this week. I have one more before the final project class is over. So until then, thank you for watching, and I look forward to showing you the update on our game once that comes around.